Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friend, first vacancy is from Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. Here the name of post is Officer Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA or BCom, BMS, BAF, BBA with MBA, MMS, PGDBM, PGDM in finance with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 34 years. There are 5 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience. Per month pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 26th August 2024. Friends, before you move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then we are offering video lecture course on reasoning on PSU exam prep website. So visit PSU exam prep website and also check the reasoning course. Website link and the discount code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. The next vacancy is from Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The name of post is Graduate Apprentice. Qualification asked is BBA, BA, BCom, BSc with minimum 50% marks, and age limit is that it should not have completed 3 years after graduation as on 31st July 2024. Number of vacancies are 400. Place of posting is Southern India. And nature of employment is apprenticeship basis, that is the contractual and not permanent. No prior experience asked. You will be paid per month stipend of 9,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th August 2024. And next vacancy is from Heavy Vehicle Factory, Avandi. Name of post is Graduate Apprentice. Qualification asked is graduation. And age limit they have mentioned that you should be passed during 2020, 21, 22, 23 or 2024, then you are eligible. Number of vacancies are 100. Place of posting is in Chennai, and again these are stipendary in nature. No prior experience asked and stipend will be 9,000 only. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th August 2024. The next vacancy is from Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited. Name of post is Senior Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA or MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 42 years. There are 2 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 14 years of experience. It's a senior post. Package will be 29.78 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 31st August 2024. And next vacancy is from Gale India Limited. Name of post is Junior Accountant. Here the qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter or MCom with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 28 years. Friends, there are 14 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. These are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 29,000 to 1,20,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 7th September 2024. Friends, we have also made a separate video for this vacancy, so you can check that video also. And next vacancy is again from Gale India Limited. Name of post is Accounts Assistant. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 55% marks. Here upper age limit is 26 years. There are 13 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India, and these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 1 year of experience. Per month pay scale will be 24,500 to 90,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 7th September 2024. Next vacancy is again from Gale India. Here the name of post is Business Assistant, and the qualification asked is either a BBA, BMS or BBM with minimum 55% marks. Age limit is 26 years. There are 65 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India, and these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 1 year of experience. Pay scale and the last date is same as that of last vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research. Name of post is Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is degree in commerce, and desirable is that you should have a postgraduate diploma in financial management. Age limit is 35 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 10 years of experience and package will be 13 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 31st August 2024, and hard copy should reach their office by 15th September 2024. And next vacancy is from Indian Maritime University. Name of post is Assistant Finance. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks in commerce or mathematics or statistics. Age limit is 35 years. There are 12 vacancies. Place of posting will be in Southern India only. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 5.5 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th August 2024. And next vacancy is again from Indian Maritime University. Name of post is Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Age limit is 35 years. There are 15 vacancies. Place of posting is in Southern India only. And it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package and last date is same as that of last vacancy. We have also made a separate video for this vacancy, so you can check that video also. The next vacancy is from National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Name of post is accountant. Qualification asked is graduation in commerce or subordinate account services, exam cleared. Age limit is 32 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Noida. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years of experience and 2 years for SAS accountant candidates. Package will be 9.3 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is offline and last date is 19th September 2024. The next vacancy is from Assam University. Name of post is lower divisional clerk. Qualification asked is graduation with English typing speed of 35 words per minute or Hindi typing of 30 words per minute. Age limit is 32 years. There are 8 vacancy. Place of posting is in Assam. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You don't require any prior experience. Per annum salary will be 4.10 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 7th September 2024. The next vacancy is from Maulana Azad National Urdu University. Name of post is assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Hyderabad. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience as upper divisional clerk or 8 years experience as LDC. Corporate experience having minimum of 200 crore turnover company is eligible. Package per annum will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 31st August 2024 and hard copy should reach their office by 9th September 2024. And next vacancy is from Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine. Name of post is clerk. Here the qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 3 vacancy. Place of posting is in Bangalore. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience and package will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 10th September 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think these vacancies might be useful. And I'll see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.